you love me? 'Cause I am. Oh, this is my dream car. This one.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that pink and black one back there. You can get that. For me is real.
Oh, that is sick.
Dude, you like bikes, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, look at that black and blue one. I know. Well, you gotta respect the camera, man. Oh, hell no. Look at this little baby one over there. Dude, you can drive that. That one. Yeah. Isn't it? They're still all back there, too.
Where we wouldn't walk past the park.
Yeah, but we haven't gotten these ones back here, and then we'll go back all the way out there. Yeah. Oh. I should have worn 4 pairs of underwear. Good job, that. Oh, don't touch me down there.
Look at that.
Exactly. Look, dude. Now you're gonna have to wash your hands. Hey, people have told me that it's pretty bad. Damn.
Meow.